Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be comparing and ordering decimals. So now let's say you have a couple decimals here and you need to write your decimals from least to greatest. So remember, we're going from least to greatest. Again, we're going to follow the same steps. Let's line up our decimals so that we can order them from least to greatest. So first we have our 2s, they're the same, that's good. Our 4s are the same, our 8s are the same. Then you have 5, 4, and 6 here. The smallest number here is going to be my 2.4844. Then we have our 2.4853. And then we have our 2.4862. So that's going to be 2.4844 is less than 2.4853, which is less than 2.4862. Let's look at these numbers here, 6.58, 6.38, 6.29, and then 7.08. So if I'm going to write this from least to greatest, remember, let's line everything up. So we have, let's start with our 6s here, and then we have a 7 here. So far we know this is going to be the greatest number. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my 4 here. Then we have our 6s, we have 5, 3, and 2. So the smallest here is going to be my 6.29. Then we have our 6.38, and then we have our 6.58. So if you were to write everything out, you're going to get 6.29 is less than 6.38, which is less than 6.58, which is less than 7.08. Let's look at these numbers here. Let's line up our decimals. 5.102, 5.105, 5.118, and then 5.110. So we notice that all of our 5s here are the same, so that's good. Then we have our 1s, that's good. And then we have here 0, 0, 1, 1. So let's go ahead and focus on the 0, 0 here. So after 0, 0, we have a 2 and 5. 5.102 is going to be first. Then our 5.105, this is going to be second. Then we have 118 and 110. So this is going to be third, our 5.110. And then our fourth one is going to be 5.118. So if you were to write everything out, you're going to get 5.102 is less than 5.105, which is less than 5.110, which is also less than 5.118. Let's look at this example here. I'm going to line up our decimals. Notice we have our 1s and our 3s. That's good. Then we have 3, 3, 3 again, and 0. So far we know this is the smallest number because I have 0. Now, if I bring my attention here, we have our 3s, then we have a 9, 0, and 3. This is the smallest number here, so 13.309 is next. And then we have 13.339, this is next. And then our last one here, our greatest number is 13.393. Our smallest number is 13.039, which is less than 13.309. which is less than 13.339, and then less than 13.393. 15.259, 15.389, 15.291, and then 15.301. Let's line up our decimals. Notice here our 1s and our 5s are the same. That's good. Then we have 2, 3, 2, and 3. So let's focus here on the 2s. So after my 2s, we have 5 and 9. And we can see that my top number here is the smallest. And then the second smallest number is going to be 15.291. And then if we bring our attention to my 3s here, you have our 3 here. And then we also have 0 and 8. So this is going to be my next number. And the greatest number here is going to be 15.389. So if you were to write this out, you're going to get 15.259 is less than 15.291, which is less than 15.301, which is less than 15.389. All right, so that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.